Good evening, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Yes? Before starting today's class, let us recall the topics which you have already learnt. Yes? We learnt about comparison of numbers, formation of numbers, expansion of numbers, and writing number names in Indian and international system. And also, we learned to solve the exercise 1.2, which involves the fundamental operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, today we will learn the estimation of numbers and solving them with the fundamental operations. Let us start. Here I have an example. 1476 plus 2958 plus 9650. Let us see how to estimate it to the highest place value and then solve it. Yes, the first number 1476. Here the greatest place value is 1 here, and we look at the next number, that is 4. So it is estimated to 1000. Same way, the next number 2958 is estimated to 3000 and 9615 is estimated to 10,000. Now, when we add all this, we get the estimated sum as 14,000. Yes, did you understand? Now look, we'll see the example of subtraction. Look here, example 7452 is to be subtracted with 349. Yes, here you can see that the number is 7452 and here it is 349. Before subtracting it, we will estimate these numbers to its greatest place value. So, the first number 7552 can be estimated to, which is the greatest place value here? 7. So, it is estimated to 7000. Similarly, 349. Here, the greatest place value is 3. It is estimated to 300. So, now let us subtract. When we subtract 7000 and 300, we get the answer as 0, 0 here. Here it is 7 and here it is 6. So, the answer is 6700. Yes, did you understand? Yes. Now let us move to the next example of multiplication. Look at the number here. 852 is to be multiplied to 69. Before multiplying, let us estimate the number 852 and 69. When 852 is estimated to its greatest place value, that is 8, we get the number as 900. And here the greatest place value is 6. It is estimated to 70. So, now let us multiply this. 900 into 70. Can you guess what is the number? Yes, it is 63,000. Yes, when you have zeros, you can multiply the numbers and count the number of zeros here and you can write it. So it is 63,000. Now let us see the division of numbers after estimating. The example is 5,714 should be divided by 23. Yes, before division, we'll estimate 5,714 can be estimated to 6,000 and 23 can be estimated to 20. Yes, here we are estimating all the numbers to the greatest place value. Yes, now let us divide 6,000 by 20. Yes, you know how to divide it? 20, 6,000. 23s are 60 and we have 2 zeros here and we cannot divide further. So those 2 zeros are added here. The quotient is 300. Yes. So did you understand? We have learnt about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division after estimating. Yes, is it clear, children? Now let's see the next example. That is 4,245 plus 63,916 plus 248. Yes. Before adding, let us estimate the number 4245. That is 4,245. Yes, to the greatest place. Yes, here it is in the thousands place. So when we estimate it, we get that as 4,000. Yes, now look at the next number, 63,916. Here, when we estimate this to the greatest place value, we get the number as 60,000. Yes. Now look at the next number, 248. Yes. Here, the greatest place value here is 2. So when we estimate it, we get it as 200. Now, let us add all these numbers. When we add, we get 0, 0, 2, 4 and 6. So the number is 64,200. Estimated sum of 4,245 plus 63,916 plus 248 is 64,200. Yes, let us move on to the next example. Now we have 15,696 plus 24,715. Yes. Now let us estimate 15,696 is estimated to 20,000. Similarly, 24,715 is estimated to 20,000 again. So, let's add this. When we add this, we get the sum as, yes, what do we get? We get the sum as 40,000. So, are you clear with the addition? Now, let us move on to the subtraction. Now, look at the example of subtraction. 84,317 is subtracted with 32,445. So, before subtracting, let us estimate this 84,317. It is estimated as 80,000. Yes, and 32,445 is estimated to, can you tell? 30,000. So, let us subtract now. When we subtract 80,000 with 30,000, we get the answer as 50,000. So, the estimated difference of 84,317 and 32,445 is 50,000. Yes. Let us see another example of subtraction. Now we have 69,300 minus 27,500. Yes, let us estimate first. 69,000 is estimated to 70,000. Do you know why do we estimate it to 70,000? When we look at the number in the thousands place, the number is 9. Since the number is more than 5, we add 1 to this number. So, we get the answer as 70,000. Now, let us see the next number, 27,500. Here also, we look at the next number, that is the number in thousands place. That number is 7, which is more than 5. So, we round off or estimate this number to 30,000. Now, since we have estimated, let us find the difference of this. 70,000 minus 30,000 is 40,000. So, the estimated difference is 40,000. Now, let us see an example of multiplication. Yes. Now, look at this example. Here, 42,862 is multiplied with 29. Before multiplying, let us estimate 42,862 is estimated to 40,000. Similarly, 29 is estimated to 30. Now, let us multiply 40,000 into 30. Yes? The answer is, let us count the number of zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here it is 1. So, it is totally 5 zeros. Let us write 5 zeros here. 3, 4, 5 and let us multiply now. 4 into 3, 12. So, the estimated product is 12 lakhs. So, we have estimated 42,862 and 29 and the product is 12 lakhs. Let us see another example of division. $27,496 is divided by 28. Let us estimate now. 27,496 is estimated to 30,000. and 28 is estimated to 30. Now let us divide this 30,000 and 30. When we divide 30,000 with 30, we have 31s are 30. Yes, we get the remainder as 0. Now let us take 0 here, again a 0, again a 0. Since we cannot further divide, we will add these 3 zeros in the quotient. So the quotient is 1000. Yes, is it clear, children? Thank you, children.